Hi everyone, welcome to Along the ForestApps Road. We had a great week this week, but kind of weird. We were starting off the week down in Forsyth, Georgia. We had 10 folks from the CHAMPS organization. They are the highway patrol for wrecks and cleanup, disaster relief should there be trees and things on the roads. The guys run around the trucks. They all have chainsaws, and so the company wants them trained to be able to handle the chainsaws and know how to use their personal protective equipment and make some different cuts in case they need to use their saws off their trucks. And so we did about a half day inside, went out, did a demo tree, then they checked out their equipment and checked out all their PPE, made sure everything was in good shape. And so we did that on Wednesday. Then Thursday we headed up to DeKalb County to the waterworks. And we were going to be doing a 2-day program there for Georgia LTAP. A group got a little bit small. They had an issue at one of the back parts of the plant. We ended up with about 4 out of the 12 could be there for the class yesterday. And so we decided to hold that off and then basically do a day one today and have the full 12 folks and then maybe a few extras. But ended up they had a COVID call in, so more or less they had to cancel that out. So we weren't able to do either one of the 2 days with the DeKalb Waterworks. It was an interesting week, I guess you'd say. Thursday night we had a great Thursday night saws and had a couple of good questions. Not a lot of people on there Thursday night, but got a few comments and questions back from the recorded session and got those answered out. And we talked a little bit about maybe starting up a live chat. I've got a phone line that I can use for it and be able to have call-ins and discuss different things with chainsaw. And so we're going to try to do that maybe starting in just a couple weeks. I'll try to give an update on next week's podcast and week 38 review. So that's our plan right now. But I just wanted to give you that update to check out. I put together a lot of little shorts for YouTube as well as for Instagram. So check those out here. They'll be posting over the next few days. And any questions that you have or would like to see some videos on, please send them to info@forestapps.com or just comment on one of the videos off the YouTube site or Instagram. I'll be glad to follow up with you on that. Looking forward to a good weekend. Hopefully everything's going to be great in your world, and we will talk to you sometime next week. We're wishing you good sawing.